Hello and welcome to my bedroom room tour. I hope you guys really enjoy it and let's have a look around. So starting off with is my gorgeous door. And here we go. Welcome to our new bedroom. So we have been in our house for just over 7 or 8 months. And I feel like we're finally getting somewhere with all the decor. It's really starting to take shape. We're doing it very slowly and it's all looking gorgeous. I love coming into a house that was all white. Everything was very neutral and it was so easy just to incorporate some gorgeous gray tones, and all of our furniture, everything matched very well. So as you guys can see, we have some gorgeous little hidden Disney items in our room. There's probably going to be some that I don't talk about in the video, but I hope that you can see them. We do have a gorgeous little hidden window over in the corner there, which is gorgeous in the summer because the sun just shines through. And say hi to Stitch and Angel, who are in the corner there as well. Okay, so let's go and have a look around. So on my windowsill, I just have a little candle, my chip mug, and some photos of our wedding day there as well, some mini ears. And then on my bookcase, I have my pop heads. I have some still in their boxes, and then I've opened some as well. And then I have my shelf from Ikea, which has wedding memorabilia, shoes. These ones here, they are from Ted Baker. These are the shoes that I wore on my wedding day. And I'm just obsessed with them. I could just look at them all the time. So they get their own shelf. Then I have my little Bow Avenue perfume and room spray shelf there as well. And then I just love to keep like some boxes of perfumes, all my favorite scents. And then I have a rose gold pineapple because who doesn't? So I love putting my favorite things on there for display. Anything that just catches my eye, I love to display it. We have some black curtain tassels with velvet grey curtains to match our bed. Oh, that's my rug. I think this one was from John Lewis. It's nice and fluffy. I don't know why I'm going back over here, but there we are. Oh, I want to show you my husband's painting. I did that for him. Star Wars. Over here, this is my bedside. So I have some pictures there. And I have my Alex tallboy. Some pictures above our bed. My plant, which isn't real. Then we have our bed. Oh my god, we love our bed. For so many years before we moved house, Stuart and I shared our bed, and it was literally a small double. And we're so happy now we have a king size. I have some little rose gold hooks there, and that's just where I hang our gorgeous cozy dressing gowns. They're so good for winter. They're just so cozy. So I have some candles burning as well. They're my espresso candles. I just love them. And I finally cleared out my Alex drawers, and I have some nice storage in there. My business cards, just in case. Why would I keep my business cards next to my bedside? I don't know. So I'm trying to show you guys like the wide range of the room. We just kept the walls nice and white. We wanted everything just to be nice and neutral, and for the decor to adapt all the color. And then we have a velvet grey lampshade as well. That one's from Next. And I got these pictures from Coconut Lane online, and then I just picked up some frames and framed them myself, and then used fairy lights to decorate them. And that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, guys.